Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're getting started on the 450 rebuild. We're gonna start by getting this thing prepped so when I do rebuild the motor, it is ready to just slap in there and I don't have to do anything else. And first thing we're gonna start with radiator, getting it flushed, getting it cleaned up. I got them off. We're gonna polish these up and then we're just gonna run some water through them, see if anything comes out. So I got a little wire brush here for my Dremel. Fins, small little screwdriver. Just go in here and just start correcting them a little bit. And there you go. Got it flushed, cleaned up, and got the fins fit. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.